wasn't holding you.
Welcome to Agape Show. My name is Agape Charity. Powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. This channel deals with matters of health and any arising issues in our society. If you're new on this platform or you've always been a member, family member, hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe, and follow us on all social platforms. Today, we have a super fun and festive DIY project for you. Yes, it is a balloon garland. Today's video is entitled DIY Balloon Garland, Festive Decorations for the Holidays. It's the perfect way to add some Christmas cheer to your home decor. Thanksgiving is coming up. Your uncle's birthday is coming up on the Christmas Eve. So you don't want to miss out, and even New Year is coming up. So first things that is important is make sure that are you passionate about creating a very fascinating balloon garland. So it's important to gather your supplies for your do-it-yourself balloon garland. You need an assortment of balloons in different colors, fishing line or a string, a balloon pump, and some scissors. Definitely. And also you need good background music. Your playlist has to be like this booster to make you become creative and enjoy the process. So what happened in this scenario? Well, I was in SA visiting my beloved family. So I decided, well, for the festive season, I would like to do a balloon garland. So I challenged myself. I watched some TikTok videos on how to do some just do a beautiful garland. And also I've seen some of my friends creating them on their social platforms. And also, anyway, we have resources to do this. So the most important thing is make sure that you always check your budget. So I was very conscious of how I want to spend. In this situation, we went to Kmart. It's like the cheapest place. You can buy anything, but they've got good quality. I don't blame them. And I also went to Spotlight with my family to source out everything. So the good thing is these balloons, they come with the string line, whatever you want to call it, the fish line, and the basic needs. So the only thing I had to buy was the pump. Will I do it again? Maybe once in a while. So it's important, like if you're gonna do this balloon garland decoration stuff, it's important to invest on an automatic balloon pump. But it was so much fun, and I did not give up. So my mom was like, hey, make sure that the sizes of the balloon are different. I was like, yes, girl, I got you. So everyone was supporting me. My young brother was behind the camera as always. And I'm like, all right, I'm wearing this social distancing. Maybe it's high time I just remove this shirt. So right now, I just find it easier to just pump as much balloons as I could. That day was very hot, and I was like, I really need to make sure I finish this. So while I'm pumping the balloons, it's also important to to plan where you're gonna hang the balloon garland. So kept pumping them. I was actually surprised because some of them, they looked ugly when they had the small deco paper inside, but as I pumped them, I'm like pumping. Wow, it looked so beautiful. Look at it. It's a clear balloons. I love them. I love that gold metallic vibe to it. So I was like, okay, all right, now we're getting everything sorted. Okay, so you make sure that you pump your balloons. Or you can ask a family member. You can pump them while you're sitting down and stuff like that. I'm holding my fishing line and dancing, and I'm like, yes, I got this. I got this. I'm getting the pattern. So it's very important to continue adding your balloons, spacing them out. The good thing about this Kmart fishing line, it had holes in them, so it gives you room to actually place it out. So I'm like, okay, I'm planning out how am I gonna hook it up. I don't have a balloon stand. So that's when I've discovered actually you can invest in a balloon stand and stuff like that. But I'm like, nah, we're gonna make this thing work. And you can see the colors and the patterns. Everything is glowing. Everything is giving. I usually go for blue, white, and gold. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna zhuzh it up. I'm gonna go for the yellow, the clay, the clear, the white, and the gold, of course. So it was a good vibe. So it's very important. So you can always use tape and hooks to hang it up depending on your preference. Alright, so you need to secure the balloon. You need to attach the balloons. Now, we are going to hang and enjoy. It's time to hang up your DIY balloon gun and enjoy the festive cheer it brings to your space. So you can hang it on a wall, above a fireplace, or even across a doorway. Get creative and find the perfect spot. Maybe you don't like that area. Maybe you don't like the powder room. But hey, these days is all about being creative and just bringing it to life, because that's why it's called powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. So you gotta make it look super, super, super mind-blowing. And when your family comes from that vacation and they step into the house, they'll be like, oh, I was still on vacation. All right, guys. And there you have it, your very own DIY balloon Garland. It is a simple and budget-friendly way to add some Christmas magic to your home, Thanksgiving magic to your home, New Year's Eve to your home, New Year magic to your home. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. And remember, powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. Feel free to customize the balloon Garland to yourself, to your own taste, to what's trending there on TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts. So remember, happy holidays, everyone. Powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. See you onto the next video. Don't forget to stay tuned on all our social platforms for latest updates and videos to get you glued and enjoying this weekend. And thank you so much. It's Agape Charity signing out. Bye.